In this video, I want to show you how to correctly log and track your alcohol consumption. So one thing you'll find is if you look up alcohol in here, for example, let's just say we had one Budweiser, one beer, 12 ounces, Anheuser-Busch right there. So as you can see, it says there's 145 calories, yet there's only 10 grams of carbs and 1.3 grams of protein. If we do the math there, we'll round it. We'll say that's an even 12 grams of carbs and protein, which both have 4 calories. Do the math there, and that's only 48 calories. So as you can see, there's a lot of empty calories. So if you were just paying attention to macros, you'd think you had a lot more to eat when really you'd already be over your allotted caloric value associated with those macros. Hence why people gain weight and get fat drinking beer. There's a ton of empty calories. So how we're going to combat this is whenever you drink something, the first thing I want you to do is do a search for how many calories there are. So let's go into my Safari. We'll do Budweiser calories. Again, not spelt right because of my fat thumb, but as you can see here, we'll switch this to 12 ounces. One bottle or can of Budweiser, which is 12 ounces, has 145 calories, so the same as that MyFitnessPal listing has. For alcohol, whenever you consume it, we are going to convert those calories completely to carbs. So what we're going to do, we don't need the clock, we need the calculator, is do 145 divided by 4 calories per gram of carbs equals 36.25 carbs for that Budweiser bottle or can. So what I'm going to do now is go back to MyFitnessPal. I will manually enter this, and we'll say it was a snack, sure. Scroll all the way down, create a food, brand name, Budweiser, and this is going to be helpful. The better you name it now, the easier it is to find later. Description, beer, we had 12 ounces, 1 serving per container. We found it was 145 calories, which when we did that math came out to 36.25 grams of carbs. No, I do not need to add any additional information. And I'm all set. That way, when I look at my nutrition and how many macros I've consumed, the carbs show up as such. If I had logged it the other way, which what we found in MyFitnessPal's food database, it would only say I've eaten 10 carbs and 1 gram of protein. So again, hitting my numbers at the end of the day, I'd actually have consumed many more calories than I wanted to, taking me away from my goal, which in most cases with most of my clients is weight loss and fat loss. I hope this helps.